There it is. And get in here. Alright, got it plugged in. Alright. Powered on. We shouldn't hear any clicking or anything. It should take like, I think I got it set at like 68 seconds before any sound will come on. So we'll see what she does. Should hear a thump by now, which you don't. And now you'd be hearing the click, 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 click. So it's probably set too high. I tried 14 seconds first, but I thought the 68 would be better for testing. Okay, so it's all ready to go, and I don't hear any static, so the sound ain't on yet. Heard the sub just bounce once. I can hear a little bit of static. So the sub bounce is obviously coming from just powering on the amp itself. So let's see if it works.
Welcome to the future.